How to read file content in PHP. PHP provides a number of functions for reading data from files. The methods used are also varied. One is read per line called the function fgets. There is also a byte called fread. Both fgets and fread functions have their own characteristics and can be used according to programming conditions. Function fgets. Used to read one line of open file. The fgets function can return data line by line. The fgets function stops returning a new row if the length parameter is specified on a specified value or at the end of the file, depending on which is reached first. If it fails, the function fgets will return the false value. Function fread. Used to read the contents of the file being opened. The fread function returns a frequently readable value to the end of the file, or up to a predetermined length. The length size is expressed in bytes, characters. If it fails, the function fread will return the false value. To be able to understand it better, here's an example of its application to a program. Program 1. File name, file04.php. Description: the program reads and displays the contents of the file. Open Notepad, then type the following PHP code. $PHP. $file name equals data.txt. $handle equals open. $file name r. If $handle echo less than b greater than file cannot be opened or not yet exists less than b greater than. Else $content equals fgets. $handle 2048. $content 2 equals fread. $handle 20. Echo ISI 1. $content less than br greater than. Echo ISI 2. $content 2 less than br greater than. Closing curly bracket. fclose $handle greater than. Save the code with file04.php name in htdocs folder. Program explanation 1. To read the contents of the file, can use the function fgets and fread. The fgets function reads the contents of each line file, while the function fread will read the contents of the file every number of bytes. In the above program, the 8th row will read the file every 20 bytes or 20 characters. To run the program, open the browser, type http://localhost/file04.php in the address bar, then enter. The result will be like this. Program view. Program 2. File name, file05.php. Description: the program reads the contents of the line file each line. $PHP. $file name equals data.txt. $handle equals open. $file name r. If $handle echo less than b greater than file cannot be opened or not yet exists less than b greater than. Else echo less than b greater than fill the file less than b greater than br greater than. While $content equals fgets. $handle 2048. Echo $content less than br greater than. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. fclose $handle greater than. Program explanation 2. Program 2 above will display the entire contents of the file, where the contents of the file will be read each line. The reading is done from the first line to the last line. Program view. Program 3. File name, file06.php. Description: the program reads the contents of the line file each line. $PHP. $file name equals data.txt. $handle equals open. $file name r. If $handle while $handle $buffer equals fgets. $handle 4096. Echo $buffer less than br greater than. Closing curly bracket. fclose $handle closing curly bracket. greater than. Program explanation 3. Program 3 above will display the entire contents of the file. Where the contents of the file will be read each line. The readings are made as long as the file pointer has not reached the end of file. The fv function on line 5 serves to check the file pointer is at the end of the file or not. Program view. That's my tutorial on how to read content file in PHP. Hope can improve your ability in studying PHP programming language. Also read articles about write to text file in PHP.